guys, my name is Achal Jadhav and the topic is total quality management and the subject is perspective management. So let's start with the introduction. So here is the introducer name, Dr. William Edworth Damon. His born date is 14 October 1900. His died on 20th December 1993, and he was the developed this concept a management consultant whose work had a great impact on Japanese manufacturing. Next is definition. Total quality management is defined as a customer oriented process and aim for continuous improvement of business operation. This is the short and very effective definition of total quality management. Then next is TQM in 3 steps. It means that TQM, total quality management. So total is, it means that made up of the whole. Quality, it means that degree of excellence a product or service provide. Management is that art or manner of people controlling and directing. So therefore TQM is the art of managing the whole to achieve excellence. So here is the TQM in 3 steps. Then next is meaning. TQM means, let's see the meaning. TQM means that organization culture is defined by and support the constant attainment of customer satisfaction through an integrated system of tools, techniques and training. This involves the continuous improvement of organizational processes resulting in high quality product and service. So this is the meaning of TQM. Then next one is example of TQM. The example which was related to Toyota. Toyota implemented that the Kanban system to make its assembly line more efficient. The company decided to keep just enough inventory to fulfill customer order as they were generated. So this is the one example. So here are 8 characteristics of TQM. So let's see one by one. First one is focus on customer. So focus on customer, it means that quality begins and ends with the customers. So here the customer decided what the focus will be as well as the approach of achieving the result. So this is the focus customer. Then next is employee involvement. Employee involvement, it means that the organization that manage with a TQM and understood the importance of employees involvement. So this is the employee involvement. Then next is process center. Process center, it is that it has everything as a process, whether the process to hire employees or a process to make a cake. So this is the process center. Then next one is integrated system. Integrated system we also called as a mutual dependent system. Mutual dependent system, it is that most organization have several department or areas of expertise, but all have a systems that support the final delivery of the product. So this is the integrated system. Second, next one is strategic and systematic approach. So businesses that operate under a TQM model use strategies to help achieve mission and vision. So this is the short strategy approach. Then next is a decision making based on fact. So decision making we also call as a data driven decision. Data driven decision in TQM organization is that data is collected, analyzed and used to improve internal operation. So this is the data driven decision. Then communication. It was very effective communication is there. So communicating is a priority in organization that strive to improve employees and customer. are provided with ongoing communication and interaction with the organization. So this is the communication part. And then next is continuous the next is continuous improvement. Continuous improvement, it is said that how organization get better at what they do by working to improve and processes that create product and services. So these are all the characteristics of TQM. Then move to the next point, and the next point is that five principles of TQM. So most first one is product quality work the first time. This is the first principle. Second is focus on the customer, have a strategy approach to improvement, improve continuously, encourage mutual respects and teamwork. These are the five principles of TQM. Then next is three aspects of TQN. The three aspects are cultural, customer and counting. Cultural says that share values and belief expressed by leaders that define and support quality. Customer says that quality for the customer as a driving force and central concern. Counting says that tool techniques and training in their use for analyzing, understanding and solving a quality problem. So these are 3 points of aspects of TQM. Then next is benefits of TQM. The benefits arising from the implementation of total quality management in an organization. Every organization, they have used to TQM management concept. This will increase the awareness of quality culture within the organization. Next is a special emphasis on teamwork will be achieved. Then next is TQM will lead to a commitment towards continuous improvement. So this is the benefits of TQM. Thank you so much.